If you don't like running but still want to stay fit, then say hello to pranayama. So what's pranayama anyway? Simply put, it's the art of controlled breathing, a practice that's been around for thousands of years. And guess what? It's packed with health benefits. We're talking better lung function, reduced stress, and even improved digestion. All you need is a few minutes each day. Here's a quick tip. Start with deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4, and then exhale through your mouth for 6. Easy, right? By making pranayama a habit, you'll notice big changes in your energy levels and overall well-being. Plus, it's a great way to take a break from your screens. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more amazing tips on healthier living. Don't forget to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. And remember, breathe better, live better.